Hello everyone and welcome back to HWM Caterham's YouTube channel. Today I'm here to walk you around this lovely bit of new stock we've just taken on. This is a 2016 420R finished in the SV chassis. It's covered just shy of 18,000 miles, one previous owner, and it's finished in this lovely standout Porsche light green. This has been done with some tasteful modifications and also great spec from factory. So join me in walking around this lovely example. So starting off at the front of the Caterham, you'll see that obviously you've got the lovely matte double stripes that run through the entire length of the car and also down on the side panels as well. It does look really uniform and matches the colour very nicely. The painted 7 grille has also been finished in the same colour as the bodywork just to bring that unison round, and it does look really nice as well. Some of the spec, you've got the LED front headlights on this one with the daytime running lights, the clear lens pack on the indicators, and they've been finished in a carbon fibre effect on the pods. Sport suspension pack standard on the R, which does suit the car really nicely, and these black composite wings for the front and the rear, which also does look really good. Moving on down to the side of the Caterham, we'll see that the alloys have been finished in gloss black. Now these are the 13-inch Apollos wrapped on the Avon ZZS tyres. That's 6 inches front, 8 inches rear, which does add to that aggressive styling and driving. The side panels have been finished with PPF, and the bonnet does have a subsection just here to protect it when you flip the doors all the way up. You've got lovely 7420R badging down the side, and it's on the side exit exhaust, which is factory standard. Underneath the bonnet, you'll find the 2.4 Ford Duratec, which from factory produces 210 brake, but this one's been tweaked with some Cosworth throttle bodies that now pushes over 220. So it does sound really, really nice with those throttle bodies. And you do get the full doors and windscreen included in this car. So on the rear of the Caterham, you'll see that it does have this roll bags. This is an additional extra which the previous owner has left with the car. That means you can fit your full weather protection in here while still having the boot free. Rear wings, you've got these standard halogen rear bulbs which can be upgraded to the LEDs if you did want to, but they are housed in a carbon fibre, same as the front indicator pods. The rear wings, as mentioned earlier, they are half finished with some PPF that ends just here, so the front wings are uncovered but the rears are protected. Minor stone chipping on the rear wings as you expect, but most of it has been lathered on that paint protection film. You've got the upgraded FIA track day roll bar with the third brake light fitted, carbon leather on the rear, and also the paint follows it through with the double stripes. So now on the inside of the Caterham, you'll find it's been very well looked after as well. Starting off the dashboard, it's obviously on the carbon fibre dashboard, standard on the R pack on these ones, carbon fibre seal protectors, and the leather quick release Momo. Now this one's been fitted with, I believe, a 50mm spacer, so it does give you extra clearance for the knees and the thighs once you're in the driving position. You've got a standard composite GRP tilt seat finished with the 4-point race harness, carbon leather down the tunnel top, and this one does also have the renowned lowered floors. So that brings us to the end of the video walk around on this stunning 420R SV. Now this one's been very well maintained by DPR, PT Sports Cars and Team Leo, so it's got great history, and if you want to find out anything more about the specification or the history on this car, then please do so by giving us a call on 01932 240 611 or click the link to the advert down in the description below. Thank you all for watching.